What up, though? It's your boy Lil Jerry, back with another video. I'm having a problem with the Impala SS. I mean, it would crank up, but it wouldn't run. At first, I thought it was the alternator. Then I thought it was the battery. So I got to looking around, and I found out it was the fuel pump fuse cap blowing out. See this, the light blowing? Right now it's good. I just put this one in because I found the problem. I'm about to show y'all what the problem was. Hold on, I know it's kind of dark. I just got off of work. Hold on, let me get up under this car. And as you can see, it's the fuel pump wire harness. You can see, let me get it. You can see the wires hanging out. So I'm gonna have to replace that. I'm gonna replace it with this. I got this other little part off the junkyard. So once I get this on, I will get back at y'all.
The next day.
I don't know if it's the fuel pump or it's the oxy spark, but let me show y'all what it'll do. Yeah, cut right off. Let me do it one more time.